Callahan, Dr. FileFinder, and welcome to part 6 of our special butterscotch.com 10-part series on TextExpander. Now in this segment I'm going to talk a bit about managing your snippets. So we'll get TextExpander open, click on System Preferences, either from the dock or from the Apple menu. Click on the TextExpander icon. Because I know that once you start making snippets, it gets to be addictive. You can see I have quite a few here. I can click here and bring those up. Now what you can do is you could group snippets together by putting them into different groups. So instead of having everything under TextExpander Snippets, I could, for example, create a new folder by clicking the New Group. I could call it Signatures, and I could move all of my signature snippets into that group. If you want to delete a group, you can just click the minus sign. It'll ask you if you want to delete, and just say delete. Now another way to manage your snippets is to go here, and you can sort by abbreviation, by the date created. One that I really like using is most recently used, because that lets me see the ones that I use the most and the others that I don't hardly use at all. You can print your group. So you have some good ways to be able to organize your snippets. You see here I have HTML accented word symbols. These are actually from files that I imported that were available from the Smile on My Mac site where TextExpander is made, and they're very handy. I'm going to talk about some of those in another segment. So this is TextExpander. You can organize your snippets by groups. You can add as many groups as you want. You can sort to find the ones you're looking for. And that concludes part 6.